Today we're going to show you how to use California walnuts in menu applications to enhance some of your favorite and most popular menu items. California walnuts are extremely versatile and can elevate the flavor and nutritional benefits of all kinds of recipes. To make walnut cream, add 1 part water to 2 parts raw walnuts. Blend them together until the mixture is smooth and has a nice, nearly white color with a paste-like texture. California walnut cream is an excellent dairy and gluten-free alternative for thickening soups, sauces, and spreads in place of a roux, heavy cream, or butter. Here's an example. We'll add the walnut cream directly into our mushroom soup and simmer over low heat for about 5 minutes until creamy and thickened. As you can see, the walnut cream creates a velvety smooth soup with an enhanced nutty flavor. To add a little more texture, we're finishing this soup with a walnut gremolata. California walnut cream can also be used in sweet applications for a dairy-free alternative, like a vanilla pastry cream. We'll take the prepared walnut cream and add powdered sugar, vanilla, and a pinch of cinnamon. Combine all the ingredients together, fill a pastry bag, and it's ready to use. This California walnut non-dairy pastry cream is a great filler for profiteroles or in other desserts like donuts, puddings, or mousse. These are just a couple of examples of how to rethink California walnuts in your food service recipes. For more, visit walnuts.org.